All right, let's get started. Greetings from Moore Memorial Public Library. Today I will be doing a quick tutorial on one of our resources called Transparent Language. And this is a free language resource that we offer. They're a great service, and so you can find them on our webpage. That's where we're going to start. And you can find that at texascity-library.org. And to get started, you go to our electronic resources, databases, click that, and you're like, how do I get there? Electronic resources by category, you're going to go down to languages, and it's going to be the top thing right here. Now, right here it says teaches 80 plus languages. Actually, now it teaches 100 plus languages and such. Now, you will need to create your own sign-on and password to access the site, but we're going to click here. And there we go. So we have login. You're going to need to sign up. And with that, you enter your library card number. And for us, now it has other IDs there, but for us, you would enter your library card number, and that would include the PMML, however many zeros you have on your library card, whatever numbers you have, and then you usually have a letter or a symbol at the end. So say you had a period. Oh, sorry, that's a Z. Say you had a Z or you had a period at the end. Just make sure to include that and you hit submit. And then it's going to ask for your name and you create a password and such. But I have already got an account. So the next time you come to Transparent Language, you can log in. Now, real quick, I want to go ahead and put my little black box there so I can log in. So you're going to type in your username and then write down your password somewhere when you create it, so that you can find it and not have to do, I forgot my password. And this is where that sends you. Now, this automatically has me on the French page because I had been looking at French, but I'm going to go to the main page. This is where what you see when you first enter. Well, actually, you see a couple little instructions, but then you say okay, and you will see all of the languages available. Now, I just want to address two things real quick in this tutorial, and then we'll be on our way. So, first thing, you notice here Spanish, they have different dialects available. You can, for Brazilian Portuguese speakers, they have also Kids Speak. Those are for children. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Latin American Spanish with the Kids Speak. And so, beginner conversation, this is what I was last learning. I'm not going to be learning. Don't show me this again right now. So, continue. Now, this activity would like to use your microphone. I'm going to enable this. And I'm going to speak into the microphone, and that's going to test everything. And you're going to proceed once you're done. Now let me go back real quick because there we go. Here, I had to find, I'm trying to help remember where to go. So you have learning, browse, my transcript, resources, Kids Speak. Now, as you saw, I was already learning some things, so I had to get back to this My Learning Path menu. So I'm going to go to Kids Speak. And you'll see some animations and such.
Hola, soy Pepa y este es mi caballo. Vamos a aprender español. ¡Vamos a divertirnos!
Okay, So you have these different activities you can do with your kids for to learn Spanish. Now I'm not going to go through all of them, but just so you know that they are available. Right here, that little purple book, if I click it, it will download a workbook. And then down here in this door, that is your exit down there on the right. So I'm going to click the door and exit Kids Speak. And then I'm back at my own lessons for Spanish. Now, if I go to the very top, I can switch my languages again and go to More Languages. And let's look at an adult. And you notice a whole bunch of these have different dialects available. So if I go to Chinese, because there's more than one Chinese. There's Cantonese, there's Mandarin, and notice these languages also have Kids Speak activities. So you and your children can be learning that. All right. Now, I do want to show you how the some of the language part. Now, I'm going to pick the Russian transliterated. I like the transliterated things. That's, you don't have to learn a new alphabet when you do something that is called transliterated. And I'm going to go, I was working on pronunciation practice. And see, you read the word, and then it's going to record your pronunciation.
Извините.
And then here comes me. I'm going to go down to the bottom and record. Извините. You stop the recording, and then it will rate you. And I did poorly. So you retry. Извините. And so that one was a little bit better. And then you go to the next word. All right. So those are a couple of the things you can do on the transparent languages. Just remember that when you do learn to go back to where you were, you're going to go up to the left and hit that arrow up in the left. And then also to go to all of the languages that you could learn, you go to the top, you get that drop down menu, and you go to More Languages. And there's your beginning screen. And you can choose, there's so many to choose from. And I might do like a different one each time I try it out. Maybe not necessarily to learn a whole language, but to experience a whole bunch of sounds and pronunciations and just become a little bit familiar with the different languages from around the world. So all you need is your library card to log in and create your own user login. You can log in from any device. I will do a quick tutorial about how to use this on your phone and such, but this is transparent language. Thank you.